Are you looking for some stylish and functional light fixtures for your space? Wall sconces could be a good solution. Let's talk about different types, best uses, and installation tips. If you're wondering where to use wall sconces, here are some ideas. You can use them in entryways, hallways, stairs, bathrooms, bedrooms, living, family, and dining room. There are different types of wall sconces. Number one, ambient sconces. These provide soft overall lighting and they are very good to be used in hallways, living, family, and dining room. Number two, task sconces. Perfect for reading nooks, bedrooms, and also above workplaces. Number three, accent sconces. These highlights artworks, mirrors, and architectural features. Number four, up and down sconces. Direct lighting, upwards, downwards, or both for dramatic effects. Number five, swing arm sconces. These are adjustable for flexibility, good to be used beside beds or desks. For installation, it depends to the location, but usually wall sconces should be installed 5 to 6 feet from the floor, 12 to 24 inches beside the beds or mirrors, and 6 to 10 feet apart. Wall sconces are versatile, chic, stylish, and practical. Whether you need soft ambience, task lighting, or decorative accent. To elevate your space, visit Sparkle Light today.